Yo! Alright, it's gonna be the video for Tales of Suspense number 40. Second appearance of Iron Man. Thanks to everybody that participated. I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. 6:29 is my timestamp. Over here, 6:29, about to be 6:30. 6:30, 6:30. Alright, go type live, and we'll get started. Alright, 50 names. Do my copy paste thing here. Alright, copy. Over here to multi-round giveaway. Start a new giveaway. Let's say Tales of... Damn it! What the shit? I learned how to type. Suspense number... Holy hell. 40. Alright, I'll paste the list in here. Alright, as you can see, I got 50 names. We'll go down, make sure everybody's in here. 50. Alright. And we're going to choose 3 dice. Alright, 6, 10, 11. 11 times. Alright. Get started. There we go. Yes, take my dollar, damn it. Alright, round 1. And scroll down and get a timestamp. 23:31. 31. Alright, next round, here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one's going to be for the winner. Timestamp here. Back up to the top. 6:31. We're still at 6:31. And your winner is dun, 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 Frank Barrientos. Spot number 21. Congratulations, Frank. Alright. Timestamp. I'll go post the code here in a minute. 23:31. Once again, Frank Barrientos is your winner. Spot number 21. Alright. And let me go down here. Copy the code. Here's this. I'm going to copy this. Verification successful. Alright, we'll go back over here just to show one more time. Spot 21, Frank Barrientos is your winner. Go back here. I'm going to show. Go down to the bottom. Alright, timestamp 6:32 p.m. Go over here and show 6:32. 6:32. Alright, I'm going to type done. Congratulations, Frank. Shoot me a PM. And that's all I got. Now I'm going to paste this in here. And we're good. Thanks, everybody.